Hello dear students, today I will continue the chapter linear inequalities. Just up to the question 20 of exercise 6.1 was completed. Now there are question 21 to 26. First, before that, just I have to discuss about graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables. Just see, if we have linear inequalities in one variable, we can solve it and we can also graphically represent it on a single real for real number case. Okay. For inequalities in single variable, now graphical solution. We will discuss about graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables. That means we know the linear equation in two variables what? Just like this, x plus 2y equals to 5. This is linear equation. In general linear equation, we can say that in two variable like this type of equation. General. ABC are the constants. Here a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0. Then this is linear equation in two variables. Particular equation. If we take in place of equal sign, inequality sign, that is less than equal, less than or less than equal, greater than or greater than equal, then it will be called linear inequalities. For equality sign, solution of this equation can be any two value which will satisfy this. Okay? There may be infinite value for single equation. Okay. Only single linear equation. For inequation, we know for solution of inequation we will have infinite values. Here we know that linear equation always represent a straight line in a plane. Okay. Suppose we are having like this, 2x plus y equals to 3. This is linear equation. Just we take and it can be satisfied by infinite values of x and y, where x is real number, y is real number. That is, its solution will contain infinite points in a plane, because one value for x, one value for y. There may be infinite values which will satisfy this. Okay? So its solution contain infinite points. Now, in case we take like this inequality, this is also a linear inequality in two variables. Its solution, how can we find its solution? The values of x and y which makes it less than 3. All that type of values or belonging to the solution of this inequation. But values of x and y lies on a plane and there may be infinite numbers. So its solution will contain infinite points in a plane. How can we represent these points graphically? For that, first of all, our method is what? First of all, we have to draw its linear equation. That is, take 2x plus y is equals to 3. Take equal to 3. Now this is a linear equation of line. We can draw this line by taking 2 points, joining that point. We can draw this line in xy plane. Okay, if we take x equal to, for this, if we will take x equals to 0, then y equals to what? 3. And y equals to 0, then x equals to 3 by 2. Okay, 2 solutions are this. Infinite solutions are there, but these 2 are easy for taking. Y x equal to 0 means what? This line is x equals to 0 and y equals to 3 means 1, this 2, this is 3, this is 3, this is the point 0, 3, 0, 3 is point, and another point is y equal to 0. That means in this line, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 1, 2, 3, x equal to 3 by 2 means 1.5 is here. This is this point. Okay, so 3 by 2 and 0. This point is A and this point is B. Okay, so join these 2 points. This is line, this is A, and this is B. Equation of the line. This means its equation is line. Now we see that a line in a plane, suppose there is a plane and x-axis is this and y-axis is this. Now a line parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis we can take just like this. Line parallel to y-axis. It divides this total plane in 2 parts. Left half, right half. And also if we take line parallel to x-axis, it also divides this plane in 2 parts, upper half and lower half. If lines are not parallel to the axis, then line may be inclination with x-axis. Suppose line is this, then this line also divides the plane in 2 parts. This is first part, we can say is first part, this is second part. Second part means this side. First part means this side. Also if line is this, then first part, second part, we can say. So that is line divides whole plane in 2 parts. First part, second part. Okay. If parallel lines, then upper half plane, lower half, left half, right half. Clear? Now this is the line AB. What? 2x plus y equals to 3. This is line. This line. For this inequality, just we have to draw first line. This line divides this total plane in 2 parts. One part is here and another part is here. This is first part, suppose. First part. Now this is second part. Now, for finding its solution, because all the points on this line satisfy this equation, but here if here only less than sign, then the points on this line does not satisfy the equality. because there is not equal sign. So in that case, for strict inequality, we have to draw dotted line. That is, these points are not included in this solution. If here equal sign, then we draw border line, because all the points on this line are also the solution of these inequalities. If there is strictly inequality, then we draw dotted line. This line on this points on this line are not the part of its solution. Okay, so here less than equal, suppose, then dotted line. Okay, now which points from this half or from this half? Take a point and put that point in this inequation. If it will satisfy for a point from first half or from second half, then we can say that if satisfied, then that part in which the point contained will be the solution of region, total solution region of the inequality. If not satisfied, taking a point, if that point not satisfy this inequality, then that part is not the solution region of the inequality. So for which point we can take? So very simple point is our what? Origin. So generally we take origin. Origin is 0, 0. Origin means what? 0, 0. 0, 0 is a point in this plane. Also this is point, this is point, this is point, this is point, this is point. Here is point, 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 here is point. Points, infinite points. But 0, 0 is in first part, that is in this part we can indicate for this part and indicate for this part. Okay, so here take origin, that is in first part. If origin will satisfy this, then we can say that this part is solution region for the inequality. Just put here 2 into 0 plus 0, 0, 0 is less than equal 3. So solve it. 0 is less than equal 3 is right. 0 is less than equal 3 is right. That means first half this shaded part, first part, is the solution region of the given inequality. Clear? So graphical solution, just you have to draw the graph, x-axis, y-axis, and then for inequality just take its equation and draw the line and then make two parts, first part, second part, and take origin as the point, target point, and by putting x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in the inequation, if this satisfied, then origin side will be the solution region. If not satisfied, then its other part will be the solution. If there is strictly inequality, then just you have to take draw dotted line, because that points are not the part of solution. If slack inequality, that is less than equal or greater than equal, then you can draw the border line. Clear? So this type of shaded, just you have to shaded the region. This is the solution region. First part is the solution region of this inequality in two variables, single inequality. Okay, so here just take questions from exercise 6.2. Okay. Just you have to write in words completely the answer. Just I have discussed now. Now take question 6.2. First question from 6.2 solution. Question first. x plus y is less than 5. Find graphically solution in two-dimensional plane. X plus y is less than 5. Okay, given inequality is this. Just you have to write in details how can we find the solution reason for this inequality in two variables, single inequality. Now here main method is what? First of all, if the given inequality is strictly inequality or slack inequality, just take its equation. First of all, draw line x plus y is equals to 5. Here strictly inequality is strict inequality, that's why we will draw dotted line. Okay, so draw this line. Just I am drawing the solution region of this. Just you have to write all things in details. Okay, now for drawing this line, first of all, you know how can we draw the graph of this line? Just take 2 points, convenient point, because linear equation in two variable always represent a line in a two-dimensional plane. So this is two-dimensional plane. Take two-dimensional plane and draw the line first. If strictly, then dotted line. If less than equal or greater than equal, then bold line. So take 2 points. You can take any 2 points easily. 2, 3, 3, 2. Also you can take 2 and 3 and 3 and 2. You can take. Also you can take 0, 5, 5, 0. So take 2 point. Take 2 point on the line as what? X0, then Y5, and Y0, then X5. This is A, this is B. Suppose. So suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, not 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and etc. And also here minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, and also we can see 0, 5 means x equal to 0 here, 0, 5 is this. A 0, 5, and here 5, 0 is this. It is B 5, 0. For drawing straight line, here we have to draw dotted line. So just connect it. Okay, dotted line. Now, this line divides the whole plane in 2 parts. This is first part, suppose, in this side, and this second part. Now take origin as the targeted point. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in inequality at, that is, x equal to 0, y equal to 0. We see that this x plus y is less than 5 implies 0 plus 0 less than 5 implies 0 less than 5, which is true. 5 greater than 0, true. That means that is 0 0 satisfies inequality. X plus y less than 5. That is origin satisfied. That is first part is the solution region. So solution region is first part of as shaded in figure. First part in figure shaded. You have to shade it like this. Just shade it. Okay. Total half. First part. This is shaded part. Okay. This part is the solution. And finally, this part is solution reason. Clear? Just you have to draw the graph very neatly. This is solution, graphical solution of the inequality x plus y is less than 5. Okay. This is the method for finding graphical solution of inequality. Okay. So this is the question 1. Now take another question. Suppose 6 2x minus 3y is greater than 6. No, 7 minus 3x plus 2y. Take question 7. Okay, inequality. All the questions are as a similar fashion. You can draw graphical solution, that is graphical reason. 7 is minus 3x plus 2y is minus 3x plus 2y minus 3x. 7 minus 3x plus 2y is greater than equal minus 6. Greater than equal minus 6. This is given. Minus 3x plus 2y. Minus 3x plus 2y is greater than equal minus 6. Okay. So this is the given inequality. Okay, slack inequality. Here less than equal or greater than equal. That is line. We have to draw the line, board line, and solution region. One of the part will be the solution region. First of all, what we have to do? Just draw the line of this inequality. Okay. So given inequality is this. First of all, draw the line minus 3x plus 2y equals to minus 6 in 2D plane, 2-dimensional plane. Take 2 points on line as a x0. If x0, then y equals to minus 3, and y0. If y0, then x equals to 2. So these are the 2 points on the line. So we have to draw first line. X dash, y and y dash. You can draw, this is origin. Okay. Now 0 minus 3, 2 0. So take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now 0 minus 3. This line is 0, so 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3. This line is 0 minus 3. This is the point. 0 minus 3. Another point is 2, 0. This is 2, 0. 2, 0. So 0 minus 3 is the point A. And 2, 0 B point. This is point B. B 2, 0. This is B point. And here inequality is slack, that is greater than or equal. So dotted line will be drawn. Not dotted line, border line. Okay. So this is the straight line. Okay. So this is a straight line. What? Minus 3x plus 2y is equals to minus 6. This is the straight line. Now it divides whole plane in two parts. This is first part. This is second part. Okay. Love this. Now take origin 0, 0. And we can draw. Now here this first part means this part, the second part is this part. Which part will be the solution? So for that we have to take origin. So at this, that is x equals 0, y equals 0, we see that here inequality minus 3x plus 2y is greater than equal, is greater than equal minus 6. Minus 3x plus 2y is greater than equal minus 6 means what? 0 both. So minus 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 is greater than equal minus 6 implies 0 is greater than equal minus 6. Which is right or wrong? 0 is greater than equal minus, which is right, because 0 is greater than minus 6, which is true, which is true. 0 is greater than equal minus 6, which is true. So implies inequality is satisfied by origin, that is 0, 0. Implies origin lie in first part. First part in which origin lies will be the solution region. First part in which origin lies will be the solution region. That is this. This part in which origin lies in this part, in first part. So this part is shaded part. Okay, you have to shaded this part. Just this shaded part is the solution of the given inequality. Solution region of the given inequality, shaded part. Thus, shaded part 1 is solution region. Solution region. Okay. This is a solution of 7. Question 6.2. 7. This part. Okay. So very simple. So all the questions you can do. So do it, practice. Its answer is also given in book. So just doing all the questions. 2 questions just I have completed, and remaining questions for you. Just you have to do and send me for your attendance. Okay. So very simple. So draw the graph of the line. Here dotted line is taken because of slack inequality greater than equal. Okay. By this method you can get solution, graphical solution of all the questions of this exercise. Okay. Now take the remaining questions of exercise 6.1, that is in verbal form, for linear inequality, related to linear inequality in one variables. Okay, that are very important part also. Okay, so take question 21. So I will discuss it in very short. So you have to solve all the questions. Okay, so very important questions are. Just take questions 21 of exercise 6.1 here. 21. What is given? So see, Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first 2 unit test. Find the number if minimum marks should we get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. At least means greater than equal 6. Okay, 60 marks. So find the number if minimum marks he should get in the third test. Okay, 70, 75, 60. So here in first test he get 70. In second test he get 75. And minimum marks. So let us suppose that the minimum marks getting in third test is X. So that is third test. First test, second test, third test. Its average is at least, have an average of at least 60 marks. At least 60 marks, average of this. Average of this. At least 60 marks means greater than equal 6. Okay. So greater than equal 6. This will be all in equation. Just we have to solve it. We can get minimum marks. The minimum value of X will give the solution. So X is the third test marks. Then 70, 75. What? 1, 4, 5 plus X. Okay, 5, 145 plus X is greater than equal 3, 180. So here we can solve it according to question. According to questions, we get X is marks of third test, like this. So we can get this inequality and we can solve it. How? 3 multiplied by 3 on both sides, like this. Then add this 3, 70, 75, 145 plus X is greater than equal 80. Now X is greater than equal 180 minus 145. Just subtract 145 on both sides. We can get X is greater than equal 5, 35. Okay, so X is greater than equal 35. The minimum value of X is what? Minimum value of X is 35. That is 35 is the required minimum mark for obtaining in third test of by Ravi. Okay, so 35. 35 is 6.1, 21. more than or equal to 35. Okay, 35. So minimum value of x is this, implies Ravi should obtain more than or equal to 35 marks in third test. More than or equal to 35. 35 or more marks. Okay. So more than or equal to 35. Now, just you can solve all remaining questions by doing this type of, using this type of technique. To receive grade A in a course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more in 5 examinations. 90 marks or more. That means what? Greater than or equal to 90. And each of 100 marks. If Sunita's marks in first 4 examinations, 87, 92, 94, 95, just like this, 87, 92, 94, 95, 92, 94, 95, and fifth test, suppose x, third, then fifth exam is greater than or equal to 90 here, is greater than or equal to 90 upon 5. You can solve it. This is the equation. After solving this, you can get minimum marks. Okay. So Sunita must obtain minimum marks that Sunita obtained. Just like same question as previous question. This you have to solve it. 90, 4, 50, and here 5, 9, 10, 11, 18. 36, 368 greater than equal x. So we can get x is greater than equal 450 minus 368. So x is greater than equal what? 282. So what is the answer? 82. Okay. So set is 82. Third exam. Fifth exam. So you can get solution just like this. This is the 22. Now take 23rd question. You can also do 23rd. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10 such that the sum is more than 11. Consecutive odd positive integers. Consecutive odd positive integers. Okay. Odd positive integers. Consecutive. That is main thing. Okay. So suppose first 23 first odd positive integer is x. Then next odd consecutive integers will be x plus 2. Just like this. 1, then 1 plus 2, 3. Then 3 plus 2, 5. So if first is x, then another is x plus 2. So these are the two consecutive odd positive integers. And smaller than, both of which are smaller than 10 and more than, sum is more than 11. Both of which are smaller than 10. So this is small or x plus 2. Both are smaller than 10. If this is smaller than 10, then this is also smaller than 10. So here x plus 2 is 10, because if this is small, 10 smaller than 10, less than 10, then this is also less than 10. So both are smaller, so x plus 2 is less than 10. And sum of these x and x plus 2 is greater than 11. So here we see that 2x plus 2 is greater than 11. So here 2x is greater than 11 minus 2. So 2x is greater than 9. So x is greater than 9 by 2. Here x is less than 10 minus 2. So x is less than 8. So we get these two, this and this. What? So x less than 8 and x is greater than 9 by 2. Means 4.5 is less than x is less than 8. So odd positive number x lies between 4.5 and 8. So consecutive odd positive numbers, pair of, okay, pair. So here x may be value odd value, x is odd. So 5 not 6, 7 not 8, 5 and 7. X may be the value, x may be this odd, so 5, 7. So here what will be the value? A pair. If x is 5, then 7, this pair. If x is 7, then this 5, 7 and 9, 7. These are the pairs. Okay, so this is the solution of 23, 5, 7, 7, 9. Okay, similarly you can get solution of 24. Here 24 is given. Find pairs of all constituting even positive integers. So both of which are larger than 5 such that their sum is less than 23. You can do it. Okay, so do it yourself. Now 25, question 25. 24 you can do. So take 25. Is the longest side of a triangle is 3 times. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. Suppose shortest side is x. Shortest side x. Okay. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. So longest side 3x according to questions. Just write in a proper way all the logic. If shortest side x, then longest side is 3 times, and the third side is 2 centimeter shorter than longest side. Third side is 2 centimeter shorter than the longest side. Longest side is this. So 3x minus 2 shorter, 2 centimeter shorter than this. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter, at least 61 means greater than equal. So perimeter of triangle is greater than equal 61, at least 61, so greater than equal 61 centimeter. Find the minimum length of the shorter side. Minimum length of the shorter side, that is minimum value of x. So perimeter of triangle is this, then x plus 3x minus 2. Sum of these 3 sides is greater than equal 61. So solve is 7x minus 2 is greater than equal 61. So 7x is greater than equal 61 plus 2, that is 7x is greater than equal 60. X is greater than equal 9. So your answer is what? 9 centimeters. X is greater than equal 9. That is the value of x is least value is 9. So minimum, what is minimum length of side is minimum length of shorter side is 9. Okay, so 9 centimeter. Okay, 9 centimeter. As a similar fashion, you can get the solution of 26. Here, you can also do it. 26 is this a hint is given here. Okay, a man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board of length 91 centimeter. Total length is 91 centimeter. Single piece of board of length is. The second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shorter, and the third length is to twice the shorter. What are the possible lengths of the shortest board? If the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than the second. So here we see that first of all, if we take shorter side is this, then second length 3 centimeter longer than shorter. Shorter length is x. Then second length what? 3 centimeter longer than shorter. That is shorter plus 3. This is x. This is x plus 3. And the third length is to be twice as the shorter. Shorter twice this third length. Is this. Okay. When I want to cut 3 lengths, so these are the 3 lengths. And 91 centimeter piece of board. So, sum of these, according to question, sum of these x plus 3 plus 2x is greater than or equal to 91. Is less than or equal to 91. Cutting may be equal to 91 or less than or equal to 91. Less than or equal, because total is 91. And another condition, what are the possible length of the shortest board if the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than the second? Third piece what? 2x. 2x is third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than second side. Second side is what? X plus 3 plus 5. Longer than second length at least. So what will be the sign here? Greater than equal. Now we have to solve it only these two and we can get the result here. Okay. So what? Greater than equal, less than equal. Just solve it. X 2x. What? 2 4x plus 3 is less than equal 91. So here 4x is less than equal 91 minus 3, 4x less than equal x is less than equal 22, and here also 2x is greater than equal 5x no, here x plus 8 implies 2x minus x is greater than equal x plus 8 minus x, subtract x, so x is greater than equal 8, so x lies between what? X is greater than equal 8 and less than equal 22. So what is the answer? Possible length of the shorter board is greater than or equal 8 centimeter but less than equal to 20 centimeter. So this is the solution of 26. So 6.1 and 6.2 are completed. You have to solve remaining questions of exercise 6.2 and at least solution of 3 questions you have to send me for your attendance, okay, from exercise 6.2.